Hello, all the students of class 6. Today we are going to start the chapter number 2, that is playing with numbers. Okay, so numbers I have already discussed you many times. What are the numbers? What are the types of numbers? Okay, what are the operations of numbers? There are four fundamental operations of numbers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Right? So I already discussed the everything about this, and I have told you to do the recap exercise, and I have given some of the questions to you, right? Now today, so we'll discuss the next topic in this chapter, that is mixed operations involving plus, minus, multiplication and division. So these are the four operations. So we'll discuss about all these things. That means you will get the problems, the questions which will involve all the four operations. Okay, like you can see here, this example simplified here 34 minus 8 plus 5 into 9. So there are how many operations are there? First of all subtraction, then addition, then multiplication. So how we can solve this when there is many operations involved in an expression, okay, in a question. So case 1 and case 2, here it is given. So somebody will solve like this and somebody will solve like this. It means somebody will do what? First of all, he will subtract 34 minus 8, that is 26, then plus 5, that is 31, then into 9, that is 279. Another student can do like this. So he can do first of all 5 into 9, 45. He will multiply the number, then he will subtract the number 34 minus 8, then add the number in this way. So which one is correct? Okay, which one is correct? That is the main question. So we'll study here how to solve this type of questions and which one is correct and which one is incorrect. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here see rule number 1. Okay, so rule number 1 given what? If any mathematical expression has symbols of addition and subtraction both, we can first add and then subtract. That means in any expression, mathematical expression, there are two symbols, addition and subtraction both are given. Then what to do first? So what to do, you will add first and then subtract. Here you can see 16 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5. So what we do first of all? Addition. 16 plus 4. First we do the addition. 16 plus 4. Okay, why? Because it is an international rule. Okay, so first of all you will add the numbers. So how to add and which number to add, you have to identify. That means so 16, you can see here, before 16 no sign is given. If before any number no sign is given, no sign is written, that means it is considered as plus sign. Okay, remember this rule okay. So this rule is very important rule, because before any number, if there is no sign, you will consider that number as positive, that means plus sign. So 16 plus 4, first of all it is adding 20. Then after that write down this one, minus 3 minus 5. That means before any number, if minus is there, that means you have to subtract that. Before any number minus is there, that means you have to subtract that number. Understood? So these are the very important rules. So you have to see what sign any number has before it. If any number has plus sign or do not have any sign, that means you will consider it as plus. And before any number minus is given, that means it is, you have to do the subtraction, minus you have to do. Then here minus 3 minus 5, that means first of all what you do, 20 minus 3, you will subtract 17, then 17 minus 5, which is 12. So understood the rule? First of all you will add the numbers, then after that subtract the numbers. Okay, now we'll go to next rule, that is rule number 2. In rule number 2, what is given? If a mathematical problem involves three operations like plus, minus and into, or plus, minus and divide, then what you do? That is, besides addition and subtraction, a problem involves multiplication or division. We first multiply or divide and then go for addition and subtraction respectively. Understood now? What is the meaning of these lines? That means if there are in addition to plus and minus, that means plus and minus is there, but more operations are there, like into, that is multiplication, or divide is also there. Then what will you perform first of all? Okay, if plus, minus and multiplication is there, and plus, minus and divide in there, so what you do first? First of all, you will do the operation of multiplication, multiply, and if there is divide sign, that means you will perform the division operation. Okay, this is the next rule. See the example here, 7 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. So how many operations are there? 3 are there: addition, multiplication and subtraction. So what you do first? First of all, you will multiply. Okay, always remember. So what you do first? Multiplication. Here see how it is done. So first of all, multiplication, 3 into 4, it is 12. So 12 coming. Okay, then what when you will do the addition? You know the rule, 7 plus 12. Okay, this is addition because 7 has no sign before it, that means it is plus. So 7 plus 12, it is 19. After that, at last, minus. 19 minus 3, 16. This is the rule. Okay, and second case, that means if there is a division sign, that means here minus, divide and plus. So what you perform first of all? You will perform the division here. 6 divided by 2, what is it? It is 3. Okay, here see, division, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you will write here 3 first of all. Okay, next is, now next what you will do? You will add, addition. So how to add? Many students will do the mistake, 16 minus 3 they will do. No, you will add 16 and 8 because 16 has no sign, that means it is plus. So 16 plus 8 you will add. Here you can see a 24. So 24, then at last 24 minus 3, 21. Understood? So this is the rule. I hope you are understanding the rules. Okay. And the last rule, number 3, is given what? If there is plus, minus, into and divide, all are there, all 4 are there. That means what you will do? Plus, see, plus, into, minus and divide. What you will do first? Which operation you will perform first? If there are 4 operations given, you will perform the division first of all, because division has more power. Always remember, division has more power. After that, multiplication, then after that, addition, at last subtraction. Okay, so here you can see 9 plus 4 into 5 minus 6 divided by 2. So first of all, what you do? 6 divided by 2, 3. So it is 6 divided by 2, 3 you have to write here. After that, you have to multiply. So which is multiplication you will do? 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Now what you will do? After that, addition. 9 plus 20 is 29. Okay, and last subtraction, 29 minus 3, 26. So here, step by step, everything is given. Okay, so you have to read very nicely, very carefully all this 1, 2 and 3 rule. Then only you can solve this exercise 2.1. Otherwise you cannot, because in this type of questions, maximum student do the mistake if they do not understand the rules. Okay, so rule number 1, 2 and 3, read it very carefully, and then we'll start the exercise 2.1 in the next video. Okay, till then, study. Thank you.